Today we're exploring one of the most beautiful and imaginative styles ever to shape our cities, Art Nouveau. You've seen it before, those swirling iron railings, flower-shaped windows, and facades that look like they're alive. But Art Nouveau wasn't just a pretty look. It was a whole philosophy of art, nature, and modern life. So grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's travel back to Europe around 1900, a time when architects decided that their buildings should bloom. By the late 19th century, Europe was booming with new technology. Railways, steel, electricity, but the art scene still copying old classical styles. A new generation said enough. They wanted something modern, something that felt alive. They called it Art Nouveau. It means new art. In Germany, it was Jugendstil. In Austria, Zetzen. In Spain, Modernisme. In Italy, Stile Liberty. Different names, same dream, to reunite art and life. They believed that everything, from a teacup to a train station, deserved beauty and meaning. At its core, Art Nouveau looked to nature as the ultimate teacher. Designers studied plants and animals the way engineers study machines. Curving vines became railing, lilies turned into lamps. An architect said, "What if a building could grow like a tree?" A French theorist, Viollet Leduc, had said, "Use the materials of your time and let function dictate them." So they did, embracing iron, glass, and steel not as cold industry, but as living materials. The result was architecture that felt organic, yet totally modern, a dance between craft and machine. Our story really blooms in Brussels with Victor Horta. In 1893, he built the Hotel Texel, often called the first true Art Nouveau house. Step inside, and you're surrounded by swirling lines that flow from the floor, mosaics up the wall, and into the iron banisters. Horta designed everything, from furniture to light fixtures, creating a total work of art. He left iron beams visible, shaped like flower stems, and crowned them with stained glass skylights. Light, structure, and ornaments fused into one seamless composition. His houses, Texel, Solvay, Van Etveld, made Brussels the cradle of a new architectural language. Across the border in Paris, architect Hector Guimard caught the fever. After visiting Horta, he returned home bursting with ideas. His castle Beranger wowed Paris with bold asymmetry and curling balconies. But his biggest hit? Those iconic Paris metro entrances. Green, plant-like sculptures sprouting from the sidewalks. Cast iron and glass became dragonfly wings and flower stems, turning public transit into public art. Guimard loved to say, "In nature, nothing is parallel and nothing is symmetric. And that's exactly what his city entrances celebrate. Structured chaos made beautiful. Now let's fly south to Barcelona, where Antoni Gaudí took Art Nouveau to another planet. His version, called Modernisme, mixed in Catalan pride with wild imagination. Take Casa Batlló. The balconies look like skulls, the roof like dragon scales, the walls shimmer with broken ceramic. Or Casa Mila, nicknamed La Pedrera, where stone waves across the facade like an ocean frozen mid-splash. Gaudí believed nature was the greatest architect. In the Sagrada Familia, his cathedral still under construction today, columns branch like trees and sunlight filters through colored glass like a living forest. Every piece, ironwork, glass, tile, was handmade and integrated, turning engineering into poetry. Art Nouveau spread fast, each country giving it a twist. In Vienna, the Secession Group, led by Joseph Olbrich and Joseph Hoffman, made it more geometric. Their motto, "To every age its art, to art its freedom." In Scotland, Charles Rennie Mackintosh blended flowing curves with crisp lines in the Glasgow School of Art. Italy had Still Liberty, Germany Jugendstil, and in Riga, Latvia, whole neighborhoods bloomed with ornate facades. Everywhere, architects chased the same dream: to make modern life as beautiful and natural as a garden. By the First World War, Art Nouveau had faded, replaced by the slick lines of modernism and Art Deco. We'll talk about this later. But its spirit lives on, in every building that dares to celebrate craftsmanship. Art Nouveau proved that architecture could be art itself, a living sculpture shaped by nature and imagination. So next time you spot a balcony that curls like a fern or a window blooming like a flower, you'll know you're seeing the legacy of a movement that once made the modern world beautiful. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Until next time.